what it is, man. What it do and what it was and how it do and what it did and how it. Man, look, man, it's your player partner Supreme B, man. I'm tapping in today. Very excited. I have a pair of some shoes that you do not see often on the internet, man. These was just like a sneak release. It's not really a sneak. It was just a middle of the week release. We have the 002 Nike Mind Flyknit, man. Look, you heard it here first. The Flyknits. These are not the fragment ones that had came out previously in the past. These are the latest of the latest of what they have, man. Other 002s, they actually come in that regular Nike style shoelace, gives like Uncle Pop type of shoe style. I mean, it's still a comfortable shoe. I've heard a lot about it. Other than that, the 001s are mules. Everybody been going crazy about the mules and everything like that. And I actually have a pair on today. Let me see. So I got the black pair right here. One of these on Sneakers app or Nike.com, one of the two. But they still have that 22 nose on the bottom, as you can tell. If you haven't seen my video in the past, I did a review on these. I actually have the smoke gray ones, so go check those out. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into these 002 Nike Minds. The Flyknit edition, man. Flyknit edition. I have not seen no videos on the internet about an unboxing of those. So let me be the first to let you know. They come into the same box as your regular Nike Mind mules, the 001s. These right here are my size, 11. You know if you know. If you're new here, man, look. Size 11 gang here. Big feet gang here. You see? Let's go ahead and open it up. What we have here is that regular paper, that nice wax paper, Nike Mind Science Department. As usual, for those who know about the mines in general. And when I got these right here, look at that. These look very, very unique. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can't even hold you. Let me put the box down on that. Can't even hold you. These pair right here retail for $145, man. $145. I think the resale is probably like up to $250, $260 if I'm not mistaken. Plus tax on that $145 ended up to be $155 altogether. Not too bad, you know what I'm saying? Not too bad. Look, let's get full detail on this. You see this right here? This toe box right here has like a protectant for like water or whatnot, wear and tear. Let's go get this tag out the way. If you see here, the laces here, there's really no laces. Like, this is just all design. Like, I don't even know what this is, man. This is like a mound of like material. It gives like a blanket type feel on the low. If you can see how soft this is, it's actually breathable. The shoe itself is breathable. It's got an opening right here. I think going straight to the top. You got this lace lock right here, I want to say, that you pull. You push this little button right here on the bottom, and as you pull it, it somewhat gets tighter. As you can tell, it got tighter. Loosen it up. It's already like stitched down up top, so you can't remove this. The inside has like the nodes. It's stitched down. And the inside, let me see if I can get you a better look. As you can tell here, Nike Mind Science Department. And if you look on the side, it's very breathable. This is a light shoe. I promise you, this is a light shoe. All the people who owned Yeezys in the past, this is its competitor for real. The new big bro in the market. Got that Nike Mind 22 nose at the bottom. As you can tell, see how far they stick out from the side profile. The top part. I heard with these, you can feel the nodes a lot better than the mules. The mules, because that back end of your heel is out, so you don't feel it as much. But on the side, man, let me show you this. Look how breathable this is. I pulled this material. You can see in the inside just a little bit. But if I show you the inside of it when I pull, it's just ridged out. It has like that, yeah, like that ruffle feel, you know? It's all like torn, open for breathable passage for wind to get through your shoes and stuff like that. But yeah, these are very unique, man. I had to cop these. I have not seen any reviews on YouTube on the Nike Mind 002 Flyknit, man. So I'll say, you know what? Let me go ahead and just bless the folks with it who don't know anything about them, who hasn't seen anything on these. Let me just go ahead and bless y'all real quick. That back tab right here, It's very flexible, pull tab. I actually have a pair of Yeezys that Adidas released, the last stock of Yeezy. And it's these bad boys right here. This is what they put me in the mind of. You can see the material here. It's kind of similar. It's that Flyknit type material, soft. Very much a non-lace shoe. You don't have to lace these up. You just slip them on and take off, man, for your day. They're very, very comfortable, very flexible, just like the mines are. It's got that boost on the bottom. It's very, very soft, just like how the nodes are on the Nikes. You want to make sure that you definitely feel. They're gonna make sure that you feel everything when it comes to these shoes. The toe box again, it's just a weird like layout. I'm not understanding this, but I'm not mad at it at the same time. It has a nice feel and touch to it. You know I'm gonna get you an on foot, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, let me give you a side comparison real quick. Let me give you a side comparison. Get the other one out for you. First time pulling this one out. Boom. Side comparison. Side by side, both pairs. Just like that. 22 nodes on the bottom. I ain't mad at them. I just thought they was unique. They was different from the original 002s of the Mine collection. Let me give y'all a side profile of the mule. So the mule look kind of like a Cybertruck. If you ask me, I ain't gonna lie. Like the Cybertruck here. Got the 22 nodes on the bottom. These are orange. These are like a lime or a mint green. You could tell. Side by side, both of them are 11, 12 and a half women's. Just wanted to make sure y'all see that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These weren't hard to get, but they definitely didn't sit around long, I promise. They sold out, say 5 minutes on Sneakers app, man. You know how Sneakers app is. And I don't think there will be any restocks of these. I know that the regular 002s will have a restock, and the regular Mines, the 001s, they will have a restock. Colorways, I can't tell you. But these right here are very unique. Nike definitely was in and own a bag with this one. I want to say this right here is like a smoke gray mixed with a dark gray, a platinum gray, or somewhat silver, because you got that right here on the back side. Then we got this nice hint of lime green, mint green, yellow kind of look, stitching on the side. It's that Flyknit, man. Flyknit by Nike. So yeah. What's y'all thoughts on these? Would you cop these if you had a chance? Do you think these make great running shoes? I don't think they're great running shoes, but these are nice recovery shoes from after a good run. Get that nice massage comfort as a recovery. But yeah, Nike Mine 002s, man. Look, stay tuned for the on foot. We're gonna make sure that you get that. And yeah, show some love. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tap back in with your boy. Peace. out.